what happened before I was born and what's going to happen to me after I died. I know this is not the only reality that I have. And also, before I was born, did the other countries even exist? Cause I know there's a subjective aspect to reality and to time.
In other words, there's nothing in principle that would stop your memories from being generated retrospectively from your current awareness of what's going on around you. Yeah, that's true. You can play certain tricks with time like that. As for where you came from and where you're going after you exit this morning coil, well, you're an endomorphic image of God. And after you exit this morning coil, you will be retracted upward along the mapping that created you, and you will have a chance to reunite with God. And if your soul has not been interdicted by some kind of atrocious bad behavior or recusance or unwillingness to get with teleology, then you will be reunited with God. God lives forever. There's no such thing as death for anybody.